Arnie, let the dog in the house.
Nicole's right. You need to back off, Brady.
Let the dog in, Arnie. Arsenio, let the dog in.
People clean their dentures with toothpaste or plain water. And even though their dentures look clean, in reality, they're not. If the denture were to be put under a microscope, we can see all the bacteria that still exist on the denture. And that bacteria multiplies very rapidly. That's why dentists recommend cleaning with Polident every day. Polident's unique microclean formula works in just 3 minutes, killing 99.99% of odor-causing bacteria. For a cleaner, fresher, brighter denture every day.
Arnie, come here, big boy.
Home style sounds good. Country style, not without stones. Brown sugar hickory? Who says no to hickory? Single serve vegetarian? Sure. There are no rules here.
Okay, Arnie, come here.
I've got allergies. And I'm doing just fine.
Claritin provides 24-hour relief of symptoms that can be triggered by over 200 allergens.
Yeah, over 200 allergens with Claritin. My allergies still come between me and victory. Live Claritin, please.